Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a magazine bag. I just wanted to show you guys my Starburst wrapper dress, so I made a present to Teapot. This video is all about Play-Doh. I'm going to show you guys all of this fun stuff that I've made out of Play-Doh over the years. A beaded gecko. This is my favorite one. A basic polymer clay cupcake. Rubber band bracelets. I finally made a duct tape wallet. This video is going to be a tutorial on how to make one like mine. How much would you love to get like a friggin' heart-shaped crayon? I am going to Tulsa, Oklahoma. I am on the cover of a magazine. 90 down, a whole lot more to sign. I think I want to do Crafty Friday. Hey everyone! Welcome to Crafty Friday! I was in LA filming at the Clever TV studio a few weeks ago. I got a rainbow loom. Without further ado, let's loom it up. Welcome to the I'm in a hotel room in LA edition of Crafty Friday. Today I'm doing a Tool tutorial. Wouldn't that be awesome if it was Tool tutorial Tuesday or Thursday? This is my new kitty Leo. He is going to be 5 months old on January 4th. I was invited to be part of the Trick Your Cakes with Tulip challenge. We are doing Sharpie art. They're supposed to fall in front of me. This is my first time ever making soap. Rainbow popsicle soap. Some lipstick. I'm just kidding, it's a USB, and I'm also showing you some other DIY school supplies that are really cute and easy. Some adorable cupcake candles. I'm going to light my ugliest one because I'm probably going to keep these as decoration. Some yummy Halloween treats. A lollipop that is shaped like an EOS. Sarah and Leo here bringing you another SoCraftastic Christmas tutorial. These really pretty duct tape trees. The day has come to open this box. Dear SoCraftastic, you're bigger than Vancouver. Whoa! You're bigger than Venice. SoCraftastic, you're even bigger than Las Vegas. What? 1 million subscribers. Oh, it looks shiny on my camera screen. Oh my gosh! Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. So Disney Channel is actually sponsoring this video in honor of their newest princess. Welcome to a brand new series here on my channel where I wreck this journal with you guys, or you guys watch me wreck this journal. We're opening the mail today. I'm really excited. Before this week, I had never made or touched fluffy slime, but I finally have. Now let's get on into the tie-dyeing. It's a beautiful mandala. This is one of the coolest things I have ever had in my apartment. I stare at it all the time. I'm like a bug going into the light at night. Is that a bad quality to have? Easily distracted. I don't know why it's been so long since I've done a candle video, but I figured let's do one today and break them. Oh my gosh. Today is the day you finally get to see my house. I am so excited to show you guys around. Yay! Come on, let's go check it out. Whoa! This is what 200 cans of Play-Doh looks like. 237 cans of Play-Doh. I'm gonna turn this all into one sculpture. I do a series where I test craft kits every week or so. I actually did take some ceramics courses in college. I've never tried a toy potter's wheel before. It's so loud. First, I'm going to change the, okay, wait, how do I do this?
Break time again because the pizza came. Pineapple on pizza, yum.
Whoa! The second episode of Create This Book is here. Finally. Mariah Elizabeth herself emailed me and she sent me a package. So not only will I be burning wood, I'm also going to be coloring it in, making it all nice and pretty, make some beautiful artwork, something that you can display in your home. For those of you who may be new here, I usually use this, a little wood burner. But oh no, today, I'm bringing out the big guns. I'm going to be testing the Xyron Create a Sticker machine. Here it is. It looks really official. I just broke it. I am actually in the LA Anaheim area as you are watching this, if you're watching this right when I posted. I'm with a bunch of other artists. Also going to be designing some custom canvas shoes. I am going to customize another pair of shoes. I decided to go outside since it was a beautiful day. I sat under our umbrella. Then we go ahead and spin for about 30 seconds.
Leo, someone asked where you were last week. Tell me you were napping.
Goose! And he is a handful, to say the least. Here we go. I made a strawberry. As you can see, I'm very proud of the strawberry, even though it's very wonky. I moved on to taping the wall to protect the trim and the ceiling. Yay! This is Jazz's Ultimate Creativity Collection. The official Nerdy Crafter, not another crap kit craft kit. Hello there, everyone. I'm sponsored by Hollow Taco. And then it is all ready to wear, and you can pair it with any outfit that you would like. This video is sponsored by Create Room. They sent me a giant dream box, and I'm also going to show you all of my arts and crafts supplies that are inside. Today I'm going to be painting cat mushroom squishies. I gave him a cute pink nose and a few orange stripes. I think that the texture of this wood, it would kind of be a tragedy to cover it up, so I wanted to utilize a little bit of the natural wood grain. This was in Hocking Hills. This was the most beautiful setting that I could have ever displayed this painting in. Ooh. On top I may look put together, but my socks don't match and my slippers are not actually mine. They're really big. Have you ever heard of a reverse coloring book? Reverse! Oh, the chair did not go all the way. Magic puffy pens. Ooh. It's so fun to watch this stuff bubble and rise and ooze and goose. Have you ever tried jelly gouache? I have not. Here's what I have finished so far with the painting. Oh, here they are. Meet my kittens. Okay, say hello. They're exactly 4 months old today. Their birthday is July 30th. Yeah. So we have a brother and sister duo here, and I am just so happy. This is about to be the biggest art collaboration on YouTube ever. By joining 50 other artists, we're all going to put our artwork in this copy of Create This Book 3. This single drawing on paper can be turned into all kinds of different things, including clothing, vinyl stickers, and keychains. Wow, that's huge! These are all my designs. Wait, the bows are coming. Oh, the mushrooms! Look at the big shroomy. I am about to unbox a gift from Rainbow Loom. This is going to be for Rainbow Loom. If you're here still after 15 years, 10 years, if you're new here, no matter who you are, how long you've been here, you are important and you matter. I'm really excited for this next chapter here on SoCraftastic. Let's see where the next 10 years and beyond take us. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you for coming to celebrate with me. Bye guys. Some days bloopers do not exist.
Behind the scenes.
Apartment life. Oh, such mess. Much cleaning to do later. Ooh. It's a sweatshirt I got from Target. Break, 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 break. Break those crayons. Ah. If you're really angry at someone, give them a burnt lollipop. It tastes the worst ever. I'm not promoting being mean to people, but you know, sometimes. Oh my god, it's the worst. It's the worst. Look for someone adult here in the room when you need help with something. I'm cold, it's so cold out. Should I try to balance this on my head while I go turn the camera off? The answer is obviously yes. Oh, I think that means we're done. Goodbye.
Sarah loves balls!